This is OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can block all spam and robocalls on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to launch the general phone dialer app that looks just like so. Once the phone dialer app has been opened, tap on these three vertical dots at the top right corner, then go for the settings, caller ID and spam, and in here all that it's left to do is to turn on the filter spam calls toggle, and that will essentially mean that from now on all the suspected spam and/or robotic calls will be successfully filtered out, therefore will not bother you. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.